Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best pasta makers available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have new Wenbao pasta maker. It featuring chrome-plated steel and nickel-plated rollers. This pasta maker is not only attractive and easy to use but built to last. The polished finish will look great in your kitchen and the sturdy design. You can enjoy 9 different pasta thickness levels. The smooth adjustable rollers make it easy to get larger thicker pasta or smaller thinner pasta. It comes with this pasta roller, you'll be able to make even the most delicate pasta like a pro. On number 4 we have Wenbao pasta maker. The pasta maker rolls sheets of dough to 150 mm wide at 7 thicknesses for your various recipes. Wenbao manual pasta maker machine is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel to ensuring the quality and solid enough for service you last. Its safety recessed design of aluminum sheet of the pasta maker prevents your hand being cut while handling it. You can firmly fix the pasta roller machine with a table clamp and non-slip silicone sheet to a table or kitchen surface. On number 3 we have Hamilton Beach pasta maker. You can make 2 to 3 servings of fresh homemade pasta in 15 minutes. This pasta machine automates pasta making by mixing, kneading and extruding pasta. Once the noodles are extruded you can boil them right away, there's no drying time necessary. This pasta maker weighs ingredients and helps calculate the ratio of flour to water. On number 2 we have Soso pasta maker. Soso pasta machine come with anti-slip handle, smooth turning make it easy to knead. The dough innovatively designed with a sturdy table clamp secure the machine in place when in use, so that it won't move around. This pasta machine has 2 attachable cutter attachment for you to choose your width preference from vermicelli fettuccine. It is super easy to assemble and a breeze to use. This pasta roller takes up minimal space while maximizing. The pasta machine is made of food grade and durable steel to ensure safety and the highest level of kitchen performance. On number 1 we have Philips pasta maker. A fully automatic solution that enables you to prepare fresh pasta and noodles from scratch. It comes with its compact size, it easily fits on your kitchen counter for quick everyday use. Its featured come with angled multi-pins. The stirring bar ensures the flour and liquid is mixed evenly. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.